So this here is our old chop saw stand, which is a very, very makeshift, just for the time being piece. I've just used some saw horses which I made and an old worktop. So we're going to get rid of this, make use of the space a lot better. We do have a bit of water coming through the wall at the back there, which we're going to look to sort out down the line. The main thing is to get this down in the machine shop down the bottom. So it'll be so much more functional for us. This is my very rough sketch. So we're going to have cupboards and drawers underneath. And this is a very quick SketchUp scale drawing just to help me work out what I'm going to do. The first things first is to get rig of all the rubbish, and Rhiannon's going to help me get rid of all the rubbish.
No. I don't think I signed up for that.
About 40 millimeters by about 68 millimeters, and they're currently at 2.8 meters long. We can start working out our cutting list.
Yeah.
They will slot nicely, tightly in there, flush. Again, I'll show you on the end. Because then we can glue that up, screw it up as well. Nice fit. So what we've done so far is we've cut the joints. Cut the lap joints and just the housing joints, so the structure and the weight from the top goes down through the leg the whole way, and these are well supported then. And then when we screw and glue it up, there'll be a lot more strength in it. The chop saw section is going to sit in the middle here, so the bed will be flat across the top, but it will drop down where the chop saw is going to fit in. What we've done is, this one's just butt up, glued and screwed. We've used 100mm screws there to get plenty of strength in them. And these ones I've just used 60mm screws and sunk those in there. And they're going to be hidden by the joint. And then the top one, again, glued and 60mm screws. So the down pressure, the legs are going to take the strength from that. So that's fine that they're just glued and butt up. So we get all of those sections glued together, and then we can look at putting the long rails on. I got this one, you hold two support. What I'm doing is I'm just roughly getting 670mm in between here. That's the size that we need for the chop saw in the middle. Right, so what we're going to do now is fit the centre section where the mitre saw is going to sit. There's a couple of pieces. so far finished Mitre saw station. We've got 2.4 metres in feed and out feed table. I'm going to look at doing a fence all the way down here. For now I'll put a temporary timber fence on, but I'm going to look at getting a stop system fence, possibly the Craig one. And then we can look at doing drawers and cupboards and storage units underneath. But we've built the frame up so it's very strong, it's going to be very long lasting, and if we ever move workshop we can take it with us. The chop saw is now fixed down in position, allowing maximum angles left and right. And then just to show you, good. We'll get the dust extraction all plugged in and fixed up to him too. So not bad so far, and then we'll possibly do another video looking at the storage and the fences. All good for now.